Introducing the RB2 Plus Race Kit suspension system, engineered to give the best possible performance from your machine. This dual suspension system was developed to meet the requirements of the extreme conditions on a racetrack and for users who demanded heavy-duty applications. With state-of-the-art manufacturing and quality control, a higher level of customization and preferences is possible through Spring Preload Adjustments, Rebound Adjustments, and Compression Adjustments. The Spring Preload Adjuster will greatly increase wheel contact to the road surface, which will improve traction, especially on uneven surfaces. The Rebound Adjuster regulates the speed of shock recovery to its proper position in a controlled motion, resulting in a smoother riding experience. And the Compression Adjuster helps the suspension absorb bumps as the wheel moves upward in a stroke. RB2 Plus Race Kit was produced with care and precision. The 16mm titanium-coated piston rod and the 35mm piston damper maximize the efficiency of the hydraulic fluid mechanism inside the cylinder. Due to its heavy-duty requirements, the body and both mounts was manufactured with forged aluminum alloy for superior strength. RB2 Plus Race Kit comes with 3 sets of springs of different sizes to fit your needs. Tested under real environments, RB2 Plus Race Kit satisfies the usage demands with regards to reliability and stability. RB2 Plus Race Kit, engineered to give you the confidence you need on the road.